this episode, we are going to be doing some layered drawings. So you got to have your brainstorming all done. You've got to have a whole bunch of parts, as many as you can think of, and bring them to the table now. So first things first, you should get a copy of this. It's posted on your Google Classroom, or you can hit the link below and grab one. So change where it says name goes here, change that to your name. Take out those brackets. That's just to insert, just a little, put your name there. Anyway, moving on. Here's what we're doing. We're doing layered drawings. So the puzzle cube is made of a 3 by 3 by 3 tall, all 27 cubes. A couple of your ideas. This is going to be your first idea. Your second idea will go here. Third, fourth, and fifth. Okay? So each slide is dedicated to a different idea. And we want to have at least 5 different puzzles. Now, in each puzzle, in each layered drawing, you're going to have 5 puzzle parts. Okay, each puzzle part is going to be made up of 4, 5, or 6 cubes. Remember, the more interlocking parts, the better. So here's an example of an interlocking part down here at the bottom right. An interlocking part means it goes side by 2 or 3. It goes up or down by 2 or 3, and then it has a depth by 2 or 3. So you can see that this part right here is 2 cubes wide, 2 cubes thick, and actually 3 cubes tall. Again, the more interlocking parts you can make, the better. Now, sometimes you'll get all 5 parts will be interlocking. Sometimes it's just not possible. So that's why we want 5 different layered drawings. Remember that no part can be the same, even when you rotate it, and it might be the same part. You want to avoid that. And then the puzzle cubes are going to be glued together next to, above, or below. So for example, if we glue this part together, then we can glue either this part or this part together. I cannot go over here and glue this blue part with those because they're not touching. Okay, so let's do one example together. And I'm going to grab the highlighter here, make it, and it just so happens we've got more than 5 colors. So you can do this by color. Some students would prefer to grab the text and like number the parts. That's fine too. So I'm going to draw this part right here. So this is going to be our blue part. So just throw some color on that so we know. Okay, so I'm going to start this on the very top. So this top part is going to be blue. So that means that I just drew this top part, and I'm going to go straight down a cube. So that means if it's this top corner, it's going to go down, and it's going to go to this middle layer. And then I'm going to go down to the left, so that'll be this cube right there. And then it's going to go, it's 3 tall. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and then it's going to go 3 tall here. And then it goes down to the right on this lower level. So there we go. So here's my first example. Now, if you can't think of another part to do that's interlocking, this is why we spent like all of last week coming up with brainstorming projects. So go back to last week, look at another puzzle part, find an interlocking part, find a part that's made of 4, 5, or 6, and go ahead and make it. So I'm going to just grab another color. We're going to go green here. And I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to go make this one green. Now, I can't go up to the right because the blue's already there. I can go this one. Okay, so I've got a 1 cube, a 2 cube. Now I can go down here. So now I have height. I have 2 cubes deep here. I have 2 cubes tall here. And let's see, I can go down 1 more. And then I could even go to the side here. So this part right here that we just designed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. There we go. And now let's make a red one. Okay, so I'm going to go red here. I can go up or I can go to the left. Let's go to the left here. I can go onto the left one more time, or I can go up to the left one time. Well, I'm just going to pick this one. Either answer would be right. And then I'm going to make this one. And so if you kind of like look down on it, this one makes an L. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 cubes. We're all good there. So now we have 3 parts. We have a blue part, a green part, and a red part. And let's make a yellow part. All right, so I'm going to make this one. I can go here. Now I can't color this one. If I color that one, right, we cannot connect those corners. We've got to have it's got to be on a solid black line to the left or to the right. We cannot connect corners there. So what we could do is we could say, hey, I want to make this one, and then I want to make this one. Okay? Hold on a second. You guys see a problem yet? You guys notice that this yellow part and this red part are the exact same part? So how do we change that? Well, let's just say I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to make this yellow, so now it goes straight up, makes an L, so we're good there. Now I could even make that another color. Well, let's hold off a little bit. How many colors do we have? We have green, red, blue, yellow, so we need a 5th color. And I guess we can make it black, right? Okay, so let's make this one and this one. So now top layer is all done. We can go down here. We cannot go straight down because you'll notice you see a red one blocking. We can make that one because these two can glue together. We could even make it this one right here. So now we have 2 here, 2 here. Okay. And then we could even make this one. We could have it go up, over. Okay. So there we go. All right. We've got 5 puzzle parts, right? We've got 2 spots that need to be filled. Now, what colors do we make those? Okay. We make it black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot make it black because remember, you can only have 4, 5, or 6 cube parts. If we made this black or this black, make it a 7 cube part, and that wouldn't work. Could we make it gold? Could we make it yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could make this one yellow. We definitely could. Could we make it blue? Yep. We could make it blue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we could do that. And could we make one of these green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we make this blue, it's not going to be the same part we already made it, right? So if you're married to this part, then I'd say don't make it blue. But let's change. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make this one a 6 cube part. And let's see, you want to make this one gold? Okay. All right, so there is an example of layered drawing. Please feel free, you can use this as an example, you can make your own, but we want to make 5 total ideas. Again, if you need more, you can make other slides. All right, have a great day, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.